This is the homemade bath powder, which can be used also as a face scrub or a face pack or body scrub. It's the same powder which has multi-purpose use. If you bought from me, you would have received it in these Ziploc bags. So please ensure to transfer the amount which is required for a week or 10 days into an airtight container which is dry. And the rest of the powder, whatever you have left in the packet, you can either keep it in the same packet or transfer it to another airtight container and store it in the refrigerator. So this is probably what I will use for a week. Only this much I'll transfer it into this box. The rest I will close it and keep this in the refrigerator. So here on a daily basis, how do I use this bath powder? I take around 1 spoon or 1 big spoon. And also I wanted to show you that 1 or 2 spoons, depending on whether you will use it as a face pack or a bath powder. And you may see some fibers in it. And you can also probably see some tiny lumps of the powder. That's because the fibers are from the leaves. You can probably see, I'm not sure if you can see, but yes, there are fibers and some coarse particles also. That's because we've added leaves and rose petals and many other herbal ingredients. So take only whatever is required for one use and then add water. Add little water and mix it first. If you are using it as a face pack, then keep it thicker. If you're using it as a bath powder to daily just take bath, then you can make it a little bit watery. But if it's too much of a liquid, then it may splash on the walls of the bathroom, on the tiles. Even if it splashes, please remember to remove it immediately. Just splash water on it and it will just leave the walls. If you let it dry, it may need some scrubbing of the bathroom walls. Yeah, this consistency is good enough for taking bath also. Okay, just mix it well. If you have the time, mix it and leave it for like 5 minutes and then you can use it. Just like soap. The only difference is this is not going to foam, but this will ensure that it scrubs the skin very clean and it has its own natural fragrance and avoids body odor also. And if you have the time again, after you apply it to your entire body, leave it like for 5 or 10 minutes if you have the time, because skin will absorb the good parts of this bath powder. How do you use it? So when you're taking bath, your skin will be wet. Otherwise also, please do this patch test before you start using it as a face pack or a bath powder. Just apply a little and scrub it. If you're doing a test, scrub it well and leave it for 5 minutes and then wash it off. See, you can see these fibers here. So even if you're using it as a face pack, leave it for around 20 minutes and wash it off with cold water. I can feel a cooling effect after applying it on my skin. One, because I was exposed to sun now, and there are very many good herbal products which helps in removing the tan and also to cool the skin. And also it provides a natural sheen. This is not a powder which will give any fairness, extra fairness. And if you continuously use it, it does have different types of turmeric in it, which will help reduce body hair. So it's not a hair removal technique as such, but it will reduce body hair. Like you can see, this is unwaxed hand. Also my color is brown, so probably it's not visible, but otherwise also I had much more dense hair on my skin, but it has reduced by using this bath powder. And then just wash it off as usual, so you don't have to use any soap if you're using this bath powder. You can either use it daily, or if you prefer to keep it on special occasions, you can use it weekly as well. This can be used for on babies also, but preferably after 2 or 3 years. Do not use it for babies lesser than that age, because this has too many herbal ingredients. If you feel this is strong, you can mix some besan, kadle hittu or gram flour into this to make it much more lighter. This, like I mentioned, it can be strong for few people if you don't prefer too many herbal ingredients. In that case, to this Ziploc pouch or the ones which you're keeping for 10 days, to this itself you can mix more basin, like I mentioned, and mix it well and store it in airtight container. Also, this bath powder can have tendency to be a little sensitive for, since this powder has tendency to dry the skin a bit. If you already have dry skin, then either pre-massage your body with oil and then use this, or you can add a bit of milk when you're mixing this instead of only plain water. That's up to you based on the skin type you have. And also, since this powder has tendency to reduce body hair, if you do not prefer, then uh, make your choice, because this does have a natural tendency to reduce body hair. But that doesn't mean it's going to reduce eyebrows or eyelashes. It can be used on face. I regularly use on it on face. So once you use it, whatever quantity you mix, please remember to use it up after you finish taking bath or using it as a face pack. Nothing should be left in the bowl. Your bowl should look like this after you use it. You have to wash your bowl and dry it. Otherwise, it has a tendency of becoming contaminated. It can develop fungus since it's already moist. Whatever you're storing should always be dry. Do not store this pre-mixed bath powder. Your bowl should daily look like this once you use it. And this does not have the regular turmeric, so even if you use this bath powder, it will not leave a yellow tinge on your skin, and even the towels or your cloth, nothing will become yellow by using this bath powder. If you have any further questions on how to use it or store it, please feel free to DM me or WhatsApp or whatever way of contact you have to get in touch with me. And please share your feedback after you use the bath powder. If there is anything that went well or didn't go well, I would definitely like to improvise on it. And also share this video with your friends who you think will also love using this bath powder. Thank you.